smells like shit.
Yes, but this one. I'm staying. Move back then. Move over here. Teriyaki taste good. Head first or tail first? I think we'll do head first. Huh? Oh, what is that? What? You've ever had bean paste before?
It's like poo paste. It smells like poo paste over here.
Stop saying that, because every time you say that, I smell it. Come on, walk with me, talk with me.
I don't want to walk with you.
Let's just continue with it.
Yeah, traditional style. More traditional style stuff. Only $600. Oh, you can't see the reflection. No, you can't see anything. Oh well. Oaxacanas. Oh. Alright. Killing.